welcome back to my channel. What's up? Today I'm here with a really quick and really exciting video for you because you know what it is. You know it's Black Friday and you know your girl got your back because I had to get you guys a good deal, right? So of course you see this lovely hair. You guys know where it's from already. RPGhair.com. You know they're having their Black Friday sale going on right now. Okay, so all the details will be down below. Like super affordable wigs that are like of good quality. Now guys, if you've been following me, you already know which wig this is, right? But before all of that, so this video, the focus of this is I really just wanted to like talk about like my top favorite wigs at the moment from RPG Hair that I've worn it in recent times. Or should I say recent times? Because honestly, I have some wigs currently that it's not necessarily recently that I got it, but they're so good in terms of quality that they lasted and I just love them, you know. So I'm gonna like go through like 5 wigs currently that I'd rate as like my top 5 picks. Probably can, you know, help you guys out with your decision a little bit better. Plus, you know, when you buy anything over $100 US, you can use my discount codes SUE15 or PETITE-10 to get extra dollars off. So that's just lit. So let's go ahead and jump into my number 1. So okay, so of course the first one I'm going to talk about is this one that I'm wearing. Yes, I absolutely love this. This is also the wig that I'll be giving away. This is a part of my 500k giveaway, not the exact one on my head, but it will be a brand new one. Let me show you guys. This is the same wig I have right here. Yes, so I'll be giving this away to one lucky winner, and I'll also have 5 separate winners that will get dollars off. Like I believe it's $60 off each purchase, like when you want to buy a wig. So $60 off, that's a lot. This is the pre-plucked 360 frontal wig, deep wave Indian hair. All right, the one I'm wearing currently, it's 24 inches long. The one I'm giving away is 20 inches long. Okay, so bear that in mind. It's 20 inches long. The one I have on is 24. All right, yeah, definitely one of my favorites. The reason why I love it is the texture. Of course, I lean more to curly / wavy textures. I don't know, there's something about it that I just love. The luster, the feel of it is just really good, and the durability, it sheds but it's not, you know, excessive. Every hair has to shed, and so it's still in very good condition. What lace? It's easy to maintain for me. My number 2 pick, I'm definitely going to have to give it to the big density water wave Brazilian virgin hair pre-plucked 360 lace wig. Now this is an OG wig. I've had this wig from when I just started to, you know, try out RPG wigs, and I tell you, actually the one I'm showing you in this video right now, it is a updated version. They have improved on how natural their lace appears, so it looks more skin-like and just more realistic. So I got an updated one, so that's what I'm showing you in the video. But it is so good, and I see that a lot of you guys love it. It's the same thing with this one as well. Not everybody can manage this length. A lot of times people be like, girl, oh, you wear them long hair, they're not aunts, you know. But sometimes it all depends on my mood. So if you want something more manageable, more work appropriate, I'd say go for that one and start to sell. Oh, number 3 pick, I'm just gonna throw a bob in there. Yes, because I feel like I have so many bobs, and honestly I really do like bobs. And I'm going to have to give it
bob. You like bob? Which bob?
Yeah, so I'm going to have to give it to the most recent bob I tried out. Yes, that is the 10-inch silky straight pre-bleached bob lace front wig. But I did go in and cut it a little bit more to just, I don't know, I wanted it right above my shoulders. That was just me. I mean, you can go with the initial length. It's really not long. It's not a big deal. It's because I'm short, you know. So on a taller person, I guess the length would be fine. But it was really silky, really soft, and I definitely feel like that one is more minimalistic. definitely work appropriate. More for my naturalistas, the type of girls who will be like, I want a wig, but I don't want it to look wiggy. I know a lot of you guys out there, the ones who want to wear the wig but are afraid because they don't want it to look fake. For the fourth pick, I'm gonna throw it to this Beyonce. I'm gonna say Beyonce inspired. I really feel like it's Beyonce inspired because I saw the exact type of coloring. Other people tried to, but there was one specific picture that went viral with Beyonce, and once I got that wig, I was just like, yes, definitely inspired by her. Pre-bleached ombre color 360 lace wig, body wave, Indian hair. Yes, and I'm yet to straighten this hair, but I can't wait to do so. I really love this hair. I feel like the color really complements my skin tone. I like the texture, it's really soft and it is minimal shedding. So I feel like next time when I wear this wig though, I'm gonna do like a side part and like straighten it. Number 5, my foot, give it to another curly texture. Whatever you guys know which one I'm talking. Oh no? It is the one that I received. It's the wig that I was wearing a lot in the summer. That short curly one that everybody is loving currently. Like everybody is loving currently, which I still love. I just had it on a couple videos ago. This is the pre-plucked 4.5-inch parting lace front wig, natural curly 180% density bob. This wig, when you look at it, it just looks like it's your hair. It looks like it grew from your scalp. It looks so natural. Plus the length is so manageable, especially if you're in a country like me, like where it's always hot. Really manageable and looks really trendy at the same time. It's a win-win. It's a win-win, and I find like that's why a lot of females are just really rushing for it. Like and it's very affordable. It's below $100 US. It is. Some feel like this today I'm gonna be the top seller. I feel so. Like RPG is really bringing their A game, and I really love that. And as I said, this video was really to, you know, remind you guys, refresh you guys' memory, and let you know what are my top current faves like in my wig collection. Don't forget, when you make your orders over $100 US to use my discount codes SUE15 and PETITE-10 to get dollars off, even more money off, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. So go and stay tuned. I have tons of exciting stuff coming up, so don't want to miss out on that. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel as well. It's late. Vlogmas is about to begin, so you don't want to miss out on that. Every single day a new vlog will be going up, so stay tuned and go and big up on yourself.